Okay.
Pag. Again.
Ja.
Wow, good job, Davis. What is that? You're scribbling? What are you doing? Wow. Can you draw a ball? Wow. Here. Ay, look at the birds. Birds. Bird. Just say hi. Happy birthday, Tita Leslie. Hi. Say hi. Happy birthday. Oh, come. Come. Oh, hold ka ha. Good, that's it. And you're out. Careful ka dyan ha. Careful ha. Oh. Careful. Naku, turn around pa doon. Turn around. Careful ka dyan, ha? Nod your head. Careful ka dyan, ha? Shake your legs. Shake your legs. Snap your fingers. Stomp your feet. No more. Oh, careful, ha? Careful. Sit down first. P.
T.
C.
D.
D.
E.
E.
F.
F.
G.
G.
T.
H.
I.
I. J.
T.
K.
N.
L.
M.
M.
O.
N.
N. O.
O.
B.
P.
Q.
Q.
R.
R.
I.
S.
G.
T.
D.
U. U. Hey, you finished. Come on. U. V.
U.
W. What letter is this?
A.
J. How about this?
T.
D. How about this one?
B.
B. How about this one?
L.
L. How about this one?
J.
Huh? This one?
Q.
Q. How about this one?
R.
R. How about this one? How about this one? Chacha.
T.
T. How about this one?
U.
V. How about this one?
A.
A.
R.
How about this one?
E.
Huh? W. How about this one?
E.
E. How about this one?
E.
And how about this one? Next.
E.
This one?
E.
Yeah, that's E. How about this one?
E.
B. How about this one? Look at this one. Come on.
E.
This is next. How about this one?
C.
C. Good job. How about this one?
E. M.
M.
U.
How about this one?
U.
U. Good job. How about this one?
Dog.
What is that?
Dog.
No, how about that?
Dog.
What letter is that?
Dog.
Yo, yeah.
Dog.
Oh.
Ganun na talaga sa iyo.
Ah.
Wala namang pa, di ba?
Oh, you count ka, you count.
One.
1,
Two.
2,
Three.
3, 4,
Five.
5,
Six.
6, 7,
Eight.
8,
Nine.
9, 10. Say hi, Papa. Hi, Mama. Say hi, Papa. Hi, Mama. Come on. Say hi to Mama and Papa. Jaja. Look, oh. Where are you going? You're going to McDo?
One.
Huh? What will you buy in McDonald's? What will you buy? What will you buy?
Two.
What will you buy? What will you buy in McDo? What will you buy? Say bye-bye. I'm going to McDonald's. I will buy. What do you buy? Huh? What do you want to buy? I will buy